Good evening, dear students. Today we are going to discuss some of the passages. First passage is about trees. Before reading the passage, I would like to go to the question and options. Let me read and understand them. The first question: trees do not give us. Option A, wheat. B, mango. C, dates. D, carbon dioxide. Four options are given there. What do not give they give us trees? That is the question. Second question. How do trees give us cool shade? By stopping sun rays from hitting us, by changing wind's direction, by stopping the spread of smoke and dust, by taking in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. See, trees give us cool shade. How do they provide the cool shade for us? See, four options are given there. I have read them. See, first option says that, see, they stop the sun's rays and they will provide us a cool shade. That is one. Second one is, wind will be blowing. They will change the wind's direction. That's why trees give us cool shade. Next is by stopping the spread of smoke and dust in the air. Smoke and dust will be there. They will stop the spreading of that one and they will give us cool shade. That is explained in option C. In option D, by taking in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, they take inside the carbon dioxide and they will give us cool shade. That is explained in the second question. Now let me go to the third one. One benefit we derive from trees. See, what is the advantage or good thing we get from the trees? Releasing to atmosphere of carbon dioxide. They release carbon dioxide into atmosphere, purifying air, providing warm places, absorbing humidity. See, absorbing humidity means next question. See, one best benefit we derive from the trees is, see, we have given some options here. Trees are going to release carbon dioxide into atmosphere. That is first option. They purify air. That is the good thing we derive from trees. Next, providing warm places. And the next one is absorbing humidity. Humidity means in the air, water will be there in the form of moisture. See, that one will be absorbed by the trees. Is it a good thing or bad thing for us? Let us discuss in the passage. Next one. Environment means, what is the meaning of environment? Trees, situation, pleasantness, surroundings. Next question. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a gas? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, solar rays, nitric oxide. Among these, which is not a gas? That is asked. Now, let us go to the passage. See, while reading the passage, we should keep the words or options given in the questions, and if anything important gets, let us underline them. You can underline that one. If you have the hard copy with you, you can underline that one. Now let me read the passage. Trees are useful to man in many ways. Man gets pulses, vegetables, fruits, spices, shelter, fodder from plants. Trees protect us from sun's harmful rays. They provide us cool shade. See, this you can underline. Say, how do the trees they provide us cool shade? That one question is asked. They protect us from sun's harmful rays and provide us cool shade. This you can underline. They reduce the speed of wind. They change the direction of winds also. See, they reduce the speed of wind, but it is not related to the cool shade here. Next, second para. They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Thus, they purify atmosphere. See, one option, one question was there. What do we get from the plants? One advantage, good thing that is purify atmosphere. See, you please wait. I will be explaining. They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, and they purify atmosphere. See, this you can underline, okay? Because one question is based on this sentence. They also release water vapor, thus making weather pleasant. See, from the roots they take water and they release through the leaves. See, that makes a weather pleasant near the trees. Trees prevent the speed of dust and smoke. They take in harmful gases. 500 square meters of greenery can clear 70% of sulfur dioxide and nitric acid from of urban areas. Trees work as natural and free air conditioners. See, this is all about the passage. Now let us go to the questions and let us find out the answer one by one. The first question, trees do not give us, what do they not? They not give us wheat. But see, carbon dioxide is the okay, okay. See here, wheat is not mentioned in the passage. Mango and dates are also not mentioned in the passage. Carbon dioxide is mentioned in the passage. But see, in the first para, you can notice man gets pulses, vegetables, fruits, spices. See, in that line, you can get the answer. The trees do not give us, see, they give us wheat. It comes in pulses. Mango is a fruit. Dates is also a fruit, dry fruit. So trees give us wheat, mango, and dates. They do not give carbon dioxide, but they give us oxygen. They give us oxygen. So they absorb carbon dioxide. They do not give us carbon dioxide. D is the right answer. Let us pass on to the second question. How do trees give us cool shade? Yes. How do trees give us cool shade? See, by stopping sun's rays from hitting us, it provides us cool shade. See, they also change the wind's direction. They also stop the spread of smoke and dust. They take carbon dioxide also. But these three options are not directly related to the cool shade. The only option which is related to the cool shade is sun's rays. Okay, that's why for the second question, option A is the answer. Now let us pass on to the next question. Question number three. One of the benefit we derive from trees, one of the advantage what we derive us from trees, releasing into atmosphere of carbon dioxide. No, trees won't release any carbon dioxide. Purifying of air, providing warm places. Yes, option B is the right answer. Purifying of Air. Very good. Now you have understood and you are telling the answers. Next question, see, it is not directly mentioned in the passage. We should protect our environment. In urban areas, 500 meter square of greenery can reduce 70% of the nitric acid and sulfur dioxide. So, based on this overall passage, vocabulary question is asked. What is the meaning of environment? Is it trees? Very good. Yes, right answer. Now, environment means what are all the things that are there around our surroundings are called environment. It may be a living thing or non-living thing, biotic component or abiotic component. So environment means surroundings. And the last question, which of the following is not a gas? This is also, yes, solar rays is not a gas. Oxygen is a gas, carbon dioxide is a gas, nitric oxide is a gas. All these three, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitric oxide, are in the air, atmosphere. Solar rays are rays which we cannot call it as a gas. Option C is the answer. Very good, my dear students, and you have participated well in the passage. This is about the passage number 1, what we have discussed today.